Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to share a fun back to school read aloud with you of the story On the First Day of Kindergarten. The story On the First Day of Kindergarten was written in 2016 by Tish Rabe and illustrated by Laura Hughes, and it tells about some of the things you could expect to do on the first few days of kindergarten. If you're ready to hear the story, I'm ready to share it with you. Here we go. On the First Day of Kindergarten. You can see on the title page we have a little girl waking up with her stuffies and her dolls, getting ready for the first day of kindergarten. She picks out her outfit, she has some breakfast, brushes her teeth, puts on her shoes. I know that when I was in school that the back to school, getting a new backpack was always kind of exciting, and this looks like you've never been in school before, so this might be your first backpack. It's pretty exciting. On the first day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool. So her grown up and maybe a sibling are taking her to school. She's got that new backpack on, and she thought it was so cool. Oh, on the first day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool riding the bus to my school. So some students will ride a bus to school, and that's kind of exciting to get on a bus. Most of the time you don't usually get on buses unless it's a city bus, but not usually a school bus. On the second day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool making lots of friends and riding the bus to my school. And that's something we do in kindergarten is we make new friends, and that can even happen on the first day of kindergarten. On the third day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool counting up to 10, making lots of friends, and riding the bus to my school. Are you beginning to see that there's a little pattern and that we repeat? It's fun if you can remember everything, you can say it with me. We do also, just like this class, practice counting from 1 to 10. On the fourth day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool. Running in a race, counting up to 10, making lots of friends, and riding the bus to my school. So races are sometimes fun things to do at school. We just had the fourth day. On the fifth day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool. Singing a song, running in a race, counting up to 10, making lots of friends, and riding the bus to my school. So we do some singing in my kindergarten class. I don't have a guitar, but we sing along. We sing, and sometimes we sing along with music, and sometimes we sing without music. We make the music. On the sixth day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool. Sliding down the slide, singing a song, running in a race, counting up to 10, making lots of friends, and riding the bus to my school. We have a lot of fun slides at my school. I hope there's a lot to look forward to. On the seventh day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool sorting by shapes, sliding down the slide, singing a song, running in a race, counting up to 10, making lots of friends, and riding the bus to my school. So she likes sorting things by shapes. That means that they're picking up a shape and they're putting all the circles in a box, all the triangles, all the squares, and everyone has a shape and is getting to try stuff out. On the eighth day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool. Sharing a story, sorting by shapes, sliding down the slide, singing a song, running in a race, counting up to 10, making lots of friends, and riding the bus to my school. This is something that we do in my class a lot. We share a lot of stories. I don't just share stories here on my computer. I share them in my classroom too. On the 9th day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool. Painting a picture, sharing a story, sorting by shapes, sliding down the slide, singing a song, running in a race, counting up to 10, making lots of friends, and riding the bus to my school. So on the 9th day of school, kindergarten, she does some painting. And she thought it was so cool, because it is. On the 10th day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool. Laughing at lunch, painting a picture, sharing a story, sorting by shapes, sliding down the slide, singing a song, running in a race, counting up to 10, making lots of friends, and riding the bus to my school. So she's enjoying having a fun lunch where there's people laughing and doing fun stuff. You get to take a little break and have some good lunch. On the 11th day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool. Jumping rope in gym, laughing at lunch, painting a picture, sharing a story, sorting by shapes, sliding down the slide, singing a song, running in a race, counting up to 10, making lots of friends, and riding the bus to my school. She likes going to PE or gym class where she's learning how to jump rope, and she thought it was so cool. On the 12th day of kindergarten, I thought it was so cool. Going on a field trip, jumping rope in gym, laughing at lunch, painting a picture, sharing a story, sorting by shapes, sliding down the slide, singing a song. Oh, you guys already know. Wait, there's more. On the 12th day, her class goes on a field trip to the zoo. That is cool. Who remembers what you do after you sing a song? Running in a race, counting up to 10, making lots of friends, and riding the bus to my school. So it looks like it's the end of the day, and she has loved everything about kindergarten. We love school. The end. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you really enjoyed the story on the first day of kindergarten. I hope you thought it was cool. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, please click that subscribe button down at the bottom of the page, and don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope that you guys all have a wonderful first day of school, whatever the grade may be, and just know that it's extra cool in kindergarten. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.